117 years journey, which has started from 1901 in Redditch, UK. Please,
Royal Enfield invites you on a journey to witness the world's longest enduring legacy in motorcycling. From its humble needle-lacking origins, the company graduated to manufacturing bicycles. In 1893, a prestigious order was won for supplying precision parts to the Royal Small Arms Factory of Enfield. In celebration, the latest range of bicycles were called Royal Enfield. Not long after, the first Royal Enfield motorcycle was unveiled to the world. In 1926, a major fire broke out at the 18-acre Redditch factory, the plant being saved only by the decisive action of the company's in-house fire brigade. Production continued, and soon after, in 1932, the company gave birth to the iconic Bullet, an up-to-date, versatile Royal Enfield of its time. During World War II, Royal Enfield designed the world's first airborne motorcycle. Almost 8,000 flying fleas were made, with many being dropped at the Battle of Arnhem and the D-Day invasion. The innovation continued apace after the war, with Royal Enfield pioneering the first British motorcycle with swinging arm rear suspension, paving the way for the 500 Twin and the dynasty of Royal Enfield's twins. Royal Enfield's close association with India was first forged in 1952, when Madras Motors received an order for 800 350cc bullets from the Indian Army. This was quickly followed by the founding of Enfield India in 1955. In 1964, the iconic 250cc Continental GT Cafe Racer was launched to great acclaim. The closing of the Redditch factory in 1967 was the end of an era, but production of the 736cc Interceptor continued at the Westwell Underground factory. Eicher Motors acquired Enfield India in 1994, and the company re-established itself as Royal Enfield Motors Limited. In 2008, the retro-styled Classic was introduced, complete with a new fuel-injected 500cc unit construction engine. The Classic rapidly acquired cult status when it became available in the home market, and sales grew exponentially. The global expansion continued with the opening in 2013 of a new state-of-the-art facility in Argada, near Chennai. Amongst the first motorcycles to roll off the production line was the all-new Continental GT Cafe Racer. After traversing the highest roads and deepest valleys in the Himalayas for more than 5 decades, Royal Enfield debuted its first purpose-built adventure motorcycle, the Himalayan. With the addition of a third manufacturing facility at Balam Badagal, Chennai, Royal Enfield is poised to reach 825,000 motorcycles per annum by the end of 2018. Meanwhile, a firm foothold is maintained in the UK, with a technical centre at Buntingthorpe adding global strength to our design and development. Years of extensive research, development and testing has resulted in Royal Enfield's most eagerly anticipated new engine, the Twin. With the rebirth of the Twin, the company continues to build on a legacy that has stood the test of time and continues to inspire riders with machines that provide pure motorcycling fun.
Okay, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I forgot to introduce myself. My name is Ram. I'm the company store in charge. Now, to take you further into the details of the Thunderbird variant that we are going to launch and the history of the Thunderbird that has been happening till now, I would like to introduce Mr. Suvish, who is the area sales manager for Royal Enfield. Suvish. Thank you. Thanks, Ram. Hope it is audible.
Yeah.
So, happy to be here in Kochi for this new Thunderbird variant launch. I would like to share a few things. I don't want to stretch it for more time because 6 o'clock onwards I was seeing few faces, so they must be very curious to see this product. So first time when we launched Thunderbird, that was in 2000. 18 years back we launched Thunderbird into Indian market. Some of you may recall this old Thunderbird launch. And 18 years back, Indian motorcycle market is considered to be considered as a commuter segment. People used to commute with a two-wheeler, but they never go for a long ride or exploring more places with a two-wheeler. That was very rare case. And I believe 18 years back, Thunderbird was the only product available in a cruiser segment, in an affordable cruiser segment. And coming to the Royal Enfield always tried to promote leisure motorcycling in Indian market. Some of you have participated in Royal Enfield events like Royal Enfield used to conduct many events, Himalayan Odyssey, tour of Nepal, tour of Rajasthan. So many events company used to conduct. There's a main aim is to promote leisure motorcycling in Indian market. And before Thunderbird launched, Royal Enfield was well known for the iconic brand, one and only Bullet. So that was a very famous brand name from Royal Enfield. So Royal Enfield was only famous with that name, and later slightly changed. I hope it is a little bit in change towards Thunderbird, Himalayan and other variety of products. Normally, Thunderbird aims at the young generation of India. And 18 years is a pretty long time. We all had many changes. Even our town, Kochi, have changed a lot. So the expectation of the youngsters also changed. So 18 years before, what was the expectation of a youngster? And the present, the 2000 year born youngsters, they are ready for the rides now. They have become 18 years, right? So their expectation is entirely different. So taking that point into the account, company have designed a new variant of Thunderbird that is all set here for the launch. And especially this is for the youngsters. I repeatedly saying this. So I would like to call one of the young member from this group to reveal this product. So can you raise your hand, some of the young members in the group?
We are all young here.
All are young vibrant faces. Can I randomly select one person? Kevin, can you come forward? Yeah. So we don't want to stretch anymore. So the young staff is ready. The product is ready. I am also ready. I will be supporting you. We will be unveiling our new Thunderbird, and it's all yours. Kevin, can you unveil this? More information about new Thunderbird X, I would like to call Ramahan on stage. He will share a few points about new Thunderbird X.
Thank you. Guys, hope you enjoyed the bike. Okay, so I don't want to waste too much time. I'll just briefly go into the details that things that have been made in the new Thunderbird. First, you can see it's a fully black and clean. That has been provided in the bike to give it a pocket feel. Then if you see that we do have different color tanks, petrol tanks with matching rim tape and matching stitching on the seat. And further you can see, if you look at the handlebars, you can see that it has been flattened. So that it is basically gives a good ride feel in the city as well as in long rides you don't feel any fatigue. And major thing is the seat. If you can see the configure style seat, it gives too much comfort over in city as well as in long rides. Then the major change is that if you can come later and do the rear mutter, it has been shortened to give us a good sporty feeling in the back, and you have a new redesigned airplane. And more than that, we do have for the first time an RE is introducing alloy wheels with tubeless tires. So I know you guys may be waiting to hear the price and the waiting period of the same. So I would like to introduce, I would like to ask Mr. Swish to.
So I know all are curious to take more photos, selfies of this new product. Definitely you will have enough time. And whenever Royal Enfield launch a new product, the first question comes is when we will get this product. Because the waiting period was one of the main factors. So this Thunderbird X, the waiting period is 1 month for this product. And the second thing everybody want to know is the price. Ex-showroom price, Kochi for 350cc it is 1.56, and for 500cc it is 1.97. So with this we are ending the official launching of this Thunderbird X. I thank each one of you for your valuable time, for being here, for accepting our invitation. We have arranged few snacks and drinks here. Please enjoy and take as much as selfies you can. You can share it with your peers, groups. Right? It's all yours. Please come closer. Please come to stage and have a closer look. Okay? Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
And one more thing, we have shared a rules sheet. If you type of it, kindly do the same so that we can capture the date of the guys who attended that for ceremony. Thank you.
Thank you.